Hello friends, let's begin with program on APT part programming part 1. In this module, we will learn about the APT part programming statements and a simple example on APT part programming. So let's begin. Motion statement used to define the tool movement in a specific direction. In APT, there are two basic types of motion statement, that is point-to-point motion and contouring motion. Let's begin with point-to-point motion. It is used to position the tool at a desired position, and there are only two basic point-to-point motion commands, that is go to, slash, and go DLTA. So go to is used for normal absolute programming, while go DLTA is used for incremental programming, as we'll already learn in CNC. So let's understand this. Go to. The go to statement instructs the tool to go to a particular point location specified in a descriptive data. For example, go to slash P2, go to slash 2, 7, 0. The GODLTA command specifies an incremental move for the tool. So GODLTA slash 2, 7, 0 that instructs the tool to move from its present position to 2 units in X direction, 7 units in Y direction, and 0 units in Z direction. So contouring motion. In contouring motion, the commands of the tool position must be continuously controlled throughout the move. For contouring movements, the tool is directed along intersecting surfaces. These surfaces have specific names in APT. Drive surface DS, part surface PS, and check surface CS. So let's learn this surface. So drive surface, that surface against which the edge of the tool rides. So this is a cutter where this edge of the tool will drive or remove the part. So this is the drive surface. The part surface, the surface on which the bottom end of the tool rides. So at the bottom end, the tool rides on the surface, that is the part surface. So it's specially used for milling of the machining purpose. Then check surface, CS, the surface at which the tool motion is stopped. So tool motion will stop at this location. So this is a check surface. Okay, so let's begin. How to approach the check surface? The modifier words such as to, on, past, or tanto are used to govern the position of the tool in relation to the check surface. So DS to this particular CS location, and past, that is this on position will be on particular that CS at the center, and past position will be after CS. Okay, that means it will move after CS. Okay, next tanto. Tanto is used up to that particular tangent line. Okay, on the circumference of the circle. Initial contouring motion statement. So go slash to, which defines the initial drive, part, and check surface. It takes the form go slash to drive surface to part surface slash to check surface. An example would be go slash to L1 to PL1 to L2, specifying that the tool should use the line L1 as a drive surface, plane P1 as a part surface, and line L2 as a check surface. So remember this. Then motion commands, that is motion statements. In this, there are some commands which are used for left, right, and upward, downward, and forward, backward. So for that purpose, let's understand. Go left, that is move the left along drive surface. So GO LFT is used. So go left, that is left side. Go right, move right along the drive surface. So GORIGST, that is used for right. So this tool will move to the right position. Go up, move up along the drive surface. So it will move up direction. Go down, the move down along the drive surface. So it will go down along the drive surface. And go F, WD, that is move forward from the tangent position. So according to the tangent, it will go to upward direction or forward direction. Go back, that is move backward from the tangent position, that is going backward from the tangent position. The post processor statement. Okay. So these are the statements which are used for machining codes or machining codes. Okay. For machining codes also we will call it as the machine slash used to specify the machine tool. For example, machine slash drill, comma 3 coolant fluid to be turned on or off, coolant slash on, feed rate, that is feed rate for a tool in inch per minute, FPD RAT slash 4.5 inch per minute, spindle SPINDL, spindle rotation speed in revolution per minute, that is SPINDL slash 850. These auxiliary statements, these are the most important statements. These statements complete the APT part programming language. For example, if you choose the particular cutter, so we have to mention the cutter dimension, that is quarter-inch diameter, which is used for the driving the surface. Okay, so cutter slash that specifies the quarter-inch diameter, cutter slash 0.25, FINI, that is end of the program. FINI is finish of the program. Tool tolerances, that is intol slash 0.0015, outtol intolerance and outward tolerance, that is 0.001. For example, feed rate of this particular component, we consider 5.39 inches per minute. Spindle speed is 573 revolution per minute. Coolant is to be used to flush the chips, and the cutter diameter to be 0.5 inches, and the tool home position is 0, minus 1, 0. So let's start with this programming. If you understand, we have to give the part number, then machine slash mill 1, then cutter slash 0.5. Then we have to move to the point P0, then P1, P2, P3, P4. There are 4 points. P3 mentioned for a circle. Okay, its center. So we have to define the points first, and then we move to the auxiliary statement and motion statement. So in this programming, we have to define the geometry statements first. Okay, so P0 is 0, minus 1, 0, that is mentioned in the already statement example. Then P1 will be the point slash 0, 0, P2 will be the next point, that is 6, 0.0. P3 will be the center and its radius we are consider 6, 1, 0. P4 will be the next point, where point that is mentioned here, the point slash 2, 4, 0, and L1. So L1 line we have to mention line slash, it's defined by P1 and P2 because P1 and P2 already defined. Then C1, that circle we have to define, circle slash center, its P3 will be center, and radius we have to define its 1. Okay, that is 1 mm or meter, which is defined. Then L2 will be here, line slash P4 point is next point, left, it's on the left side, and tangent to C1. Okay, then L3 will be here, so line slash P1 next point, P4 previous point, then plane. Okay, so it is defined by P4 and P1 directly. Then next plane PL1. So PL1 will be plane slash P1, P2, P3. So we need to define the plane with the 3 points, P1, P2, P3, minimum 3 points. Then we have to start the spindle slash 573, which is given. Then feed rate is given, FED RAT slash 5.39, coolant is on, from slash P0, that is from P0 it will start, go slash past, L3, 2, PL1 to L1. So this is a drive surface, then a part surface, and which surface? shake surface, up to shake surface. Then go upward direction slash L3. From L3 it will go upward direction past L2. Then go right. Go right from this right side direction L2. So it will go like this first. Then from this end to this end, it will be moved to the right direction to the L2 slash tanto C1 up to tangent of the C1. Then it will move to the 6 to go forward slash C1 on up to P2. Okay, so it is go forward and up to P2 it is moving. Then go forward again uh, slash L1 along the L1 line, comma past, comma L3 rapid. So it will go rapidly up to L3 00 and go to slash P0, that is up to P0 it will stop, and colon slash off, and it will finish the program. Thank you so much. Hope you understand very well.